Hey, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Yves once here again. So as you know, the winter is just around the corner, so it's time for some skin serums. Now this simple natural DIY serum I'm going to show you is very concentrated, so it's best to mix it with your skin cream. Without talking too much, let's just get started. First of all, you are going to need some licorice root extract. Next, you are going to need some ascorbic acid powder, and I have here the 100% pure vitamin C powder from The Ordinary. You are also going to be needing some vegetable glycerin. I'll also be using some argan oil. I'll be adding some orange oil as well. So I'll come in with 6 scoops of the ascorbic acid powder. Then I'll pump in about a teaspoonful of glycerin. Using my plastic spoon, I'll mix everything up. I'll add about another teaspoonful of glycerin and continue mixing. Next, I'll drop in about a tablespoonful of the argan oil. Then I'll come in with about a tablespoonful of the orange oil. Finally, I will come in with about half a teaspoon of the licorice root extract. Then I'll mix everything up. So as you can see, our serum is ready. I'll get a dark bottle and transfer the mixture inside. And I must say, you can't leave this in the sunlight. Just keep it in your bathroom cabinet. You just need a little bit and it goes a very long way. This is very great for your hands as well. If you want to use this on your face, you can take a little bit of your face cream. Then come in with about a drop or 2 of the serum. Mix everything up evenly. Then you can use this on your face or on your body. Remember, this is recommended to use in the evening before your bedtime. If you are going to use this in the morning, don't forget to put on some sunscreen. So guys, this is it, and I hope you did enjoy this video, and I hope you are going to give this a try. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.